Hello everybody, this is Dr. Robert Hancock, and hopefully showing you how you can get your portfolio put together. Hopefully you've already downloaded the zip file from Blackboard and you've extracted it, which gives you this folder which says 2009 Portfolio. Now, what I asked you to do in your last class, and I hope you've done this, is you need to go ahead and assemble the files that are in the My Files folder. Now you can assemble them in the order of what the instructions ask you to do. And where are the instructions? They're inside the 2009 Portfolio folder. So when I click to open it, I click inside again, and I'll see where it says CD instructions.doc. So I'm going to open this Word document, and here it is. And I'll see that these are the files that I need, and I recommend that you put them in the Word 97 to 2003 format. So the first file that I'm looking for needs to be case.doc. Now you might have named your case study something else, and that's okay, but for our system to work you need to rename it to case.doc. So in this little folder titled My Files, I have gathered all of the files that I will need to bring over to my CD, and I have renamed them appropriately. So the file name for the case study is named case.doc. Okay, so I check my name to make sure that it's named appropriately. And then I go on to my next file. I need to have my reflection, my first reflection on here, and it's called reflect.doc. And this is my first reflection. Then I need to have my legal analysis. The file name is legal.doc. And again, I check to make sure that the file name is correct. And then I come down and I need my professional development plan, which is called pdp.doc, and there it is. Then I need my SIP doc, or my second reflection, I'm sorry, is what's coming up next. So that's my reflect2.doc. I make sure my name for my second reflection is accurate. Now I should come up to my SIP. Where did I miss my SIP? It's in here. School improvement plan. Actually, that's before that reflection. But it's SIP.doc. That's my school improvement plan. And then my research proposal, which should be research.doc. There she is. Make sure she's named correctly. Then I should have my reflection PowerPoint, which should be reflection.ppt. And you'll see it's only PowerPoint file in here. That's what you'll do last, and that's going to be an annotated PowerPoint. And finally, a document that you create that has your SLLA scores, your awards and recognition, and your professional organizations. This is the file titled me.doc. Now I use student files for these to fill in all of these different file formats, and I'll be happy to show you those in class. I just don't want to make a public video with them. I made the me document myself though. SLL score, you know, we won the Nobel Peace Prize after we died and won the Congressional Medal of Honor. But anyway, all these documents should be my artifacts. I just need to make sure they're named correctly. Once I've gathered them someplace and they're named correctly, what I want to do is I want to go back to that expanded portfolio, open it again, then I go into the media folder. And then there's this long folder with all the long numbers. You just click into that. And then I click into my miscellaneous folder. And you'll see that I already have some sample files in here with the right names on them. So if I were to click in here on the SIP.doc, see it says Sample School Improvement Plan. But what I want to do, I want to drag the real SIP in. You'll notice the real one's much bigger, and it overwrites it with the real one. So I'm going to do that for all my files. Once I've gathered them all up, I just edit, select all, and drag them into the miscellaneous folder. It should ask me to override each one because there's a sample with each one in there. So there's case, and I can say yes or yes to all, but I want you to see the names. It wants to overwrite case. I say yep. Reflect, yep. Legal, yep. PDP, yep. Reflect2, yes. Research, yes. Reflection, yes. And suddenly I have a whole new set of files that works.